Hello my dear students, myself Raman Yadav has brought a nice video for class 8, subject name biology, chapters name crop production and management. Really, this is very nice chapter. Under this chapter, I would like to explain how we can grow different variety of crops according to season, what kind of techniques we have to apply to get high production of food grains on the large scale, and we can fulfill our food requirement, and we can also able to improve the economic condition of our family, or we can also improve the economic condition of the country too. Before explanation of anything else, I would like to say a message to you. बच्चों, hard work brings success in life. By giving this type of message, I would like to come to the point. First of all, I would like to explain what do you mean by agriculture. आज मैं सबसे पहले यह बताना चाहूँगा कि एग्रीकल्चर क्या है. एग्रीकल्चर, this is made of two words. एग्रीकल्चर यह two words से बना है. अगर और अनदर कल्चूरा. अगर और कल्चूरा. अगर means to plow. A cultura means field. It means this is the science which deals with a study of. This is the science. ये एग्रीकल्चर क्या है कि the branch of biology, the branch of biological science which deals with the study of preparation of soil with the help of the wooden plow while plowing the field, turfing and growing the different variety of food grains, different variety of crops on the large scale to obtain high produce. This is called as agriculture. Just I have explained what do you mean by agriculture. So the branch of science which deals with the study of plowing the field, its turfing, leveling, growing of different variety of crops by the addition of manure and fertilizers season to season, and we can also obtain high produce. This biological science is called as agriculture. Really, in the ancient time, people wandered from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Before the birth of Jesus Christ, about 10,000 BC, agricultural science came into the existence. Here, these days, food, shelter and clothes, these are the basic need of us. Food, shelter and clothes, these are the basic need of all living beings, and food is the first and foremost need of us. Food is the first and foremost need of us. These days, to fulfill the requirement of food, agricultural science came into the existence. Really, agricultural science came into the existence to fulfill the basic need of food in the ancient time, but later on, when the population is being increased at a fast pace, then the requirement of food becomes at an extent. Food का requirement बढ़ता गया, and that's why the scientific technique was adopted by the scientists to perform the agricultural science. Here you have to study what are the steps that is followed to perform the agricultural practices. Agricultural practice perform करने में कौन कौन सा steps involved होता है. I would like to explain each and every step one by one. Here, pay attention. Agricultural science involves different steps such as preparation of soil, second है sowing of seeds, third है adding manure or fertilizer, fourth है irrigation, और fifth है weeding, और sixth harvesting and threshing, और seventh stage that is storage of food grains. These all 7 steps you have to study in the proper order. आपको proper order में ये 7 steps आपको पढ़ना है to fulfill the requirement of food. Food requirement को fulfill करने के लिए हम डिटेल्स रूप से चर्चा करेंगे एग्रीकल्चरल साइंस के प्रत्येक स्टेप के बारे में. Here the first step is preparation of soil. Children, pay attention a lot to study about the preparation of soil. From this topic, one question is also asked. Write a short note on preparation of soil. Write a short note on preparation of soil. But how will you explain? You can judge in yourself what your level is. Let us understand properly. Under the preparation of soil, it is the first step of agricultural practice. Preparation of soil, agricultural practice का first step है. In this phase, first of all, soil is plowed. Soil is plowed with the help of the wooden plow. Wooden plow के द्वारा और iron plow के द्वारा soil is also cultivated. Soil loosens and loosens. Soil को लूज किया जाता है. And automatically bigger piece of soil this appears on the surface of the earth. These bigger pieces of soil is also turned up in the form of smaller particles. This is done with the help of the leveler. यह लेवलर के द्वारा होता है. Have you seen the leveler or not? आप लेवलर देखे हैं कि नहीं? लेवलर का मतलब चौकी होता है, यानी लेवलर that is made of wood. यह लेवलर जो वुड के द्वारा, लेवलर जो वुड का बना होता है, this wood is heavier in weight. यह वुड जो है वेट में heavier होता है. This is responsible for crushing the bigger piece of soil into the smaller ones. A certain stage will come where bigger piece of soil is converted into the smaller ones. Then soil becomes ready for growing different variety of crops. Children, do you know what is crop? Do you know what is crop? Same kind of plants grown in the same field. Same kind of plants grown in the same field. बच्चों जरा ध्यान दें. Same kind of plants grown in the same field, season to season, to get high production of food grains. They are called as crop. As for example, maize, barley, ज्वार, बाजरा, wheat, अरहर, मूंग, मसूर. These all are the different variety of food grains. These are also called as crop. I have just explained about the preparation of soil. After preparation of soil, we follow the second step of sowing of seeds. Sowing of seeds, the process of scattering of seed. The process of scattering of seed manually by using hands or by using seed drill. One by one, this process is called as sowing. Before sowing the seed, really we have to consider upon the selection of seed. Sowing of seed से पहले हम consider करते हैं selection of seed पर. Children pay attention. बच्चों कृपया ध्यान दें. Sowing of seeds. This is the another step. But before sowing the seed, we have to consider upon the quality of seed. सबसे पहले तो हम यह डिसाइड करते हैं कि seed that is of better quality or that is of the bad quality. But how we perform an activity? इसके लिए हम एक एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करते हैं. We take a container. हम एक कंटेनर लेते हैं. Suppose that like bucket we have taken. These are the bucket in which water is kept. Water को लिया गया. Further, sample of seeds. These are also put. These are seeds. Sample of seeds. Whatever we have to select. जिस सीड को सेलेक्ट करना है, that seed is put in water containing bucket. Water containing bucket में उस sample of seed को डाल देते हैं. After a while we find that if all the seeds are settled at the bottom, अगर सभी सीड कंटेनर के बॉटम में डिपॉजिट हो जाता है, this will show that this seed is completely healthy and disease free. यह सीड हेल्दी है और डिजीज फ्री है. But if seeds starts floating in water, अगर सीड वाटर में फ्लोट करता हुआ नजर आए, if seeds are observed as floating in water, we mean that seeds are of the worst quality. सीड जो है वो worst quality है. Here scientist has developed different special variety of seed that is responsible to give the high production of food grains. Within very short period of time, season to season it is done. At once, selection of seed is required. If the farmer wants to get much production of food grains, अगर फार्मर चाहता है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा फूड प्रोडक्शन गेन करें, for this point of view, it is necessary to select high yielding variety of seed. I would like to give one example, such as high yielding variety of rice. Have you heard the name of Basmati? Have you heard the name of Basmati? Have you heard the name of Sonam? These are also the high yielding variety. Jaya, Padma, these are the high yielding variety of seed. Paddy crop. Another, in varieties of pulse, we can also get high yielding variety. Arhar, A-R-H-A-R, Arhar, Mung, Masoor, Gram. These are the high yielding variety of food grains. Similarly, there are different variety of crops in our natural surrounding. They also have different high yielding variety. So first of all, we select the better quality of seed. सबसे पहले हम better quality of seed select करते हैं, and after then these seeds is also sown in the prepared agricultural field. अब agricultural field में sowing of seeds का sowing करते हैं. ध्यान दें, there are generally two ways for sowing of seeds. Seeds के sowing का two methods है. How seeds are sown in the agricultural field? Seeds का sowing दो मेथड से होता है. One is broadcasting. One is broadcasting और another is by using seed drill. These are the two ways for sowing of seeds. तो sowing of seed में दो कैटेगरी आ गया. One broadcasting और सेकेंड है seed drill के द्वारा. Seed drill. You may have seen the farmer. The process of scattering of seed in the agricultural field. The process of scattering of seed in the agricultural field by taking seed grains in our fist, and then it is also scattered manually by hands. हाथ के द्वारा उसको हम लोग स्कैटर करते हैं. से अंडर ब्रॉडकास्टिंग selected seed is taken in a basket. एक बास्केट में selected seed लेते हैं. That is of the high yielding variety. That seed is also taken in a fist. मुट्ठी में seed को लेते हैं. This seed is also scattered in the field. You may have seen this activity is done by the farmer. This method of sowing is called as broadcasting. इस मेथड को ब्रॉडकास्टिंग कहते हैं. Another way, seed drill. But there are some disadvantages of broadcasting. Sometimes several seeds is also accumulated in one part of the field. लेकिन इस मेथड में हम देखते हैं कि प्लॉट के किसी एक कॉर्नर में बहुत ज्यादा सीड जो है जमा हो जाता है. But in another side there are very few seeds. That's why large plants will be grown in one side of the field, but in another side there are very few plants. Or we also observe that some seeds have not been germinated up to now. This type of problem happens. That's why we cannot get a high production of food grains. Then we prefer another method, that is seed drill. In seed drill method, first of all, we take the sample of seed. This seed is also kept in a bag. एक बैग में रखा जाता है सीड को. This seed drill is also adjusted in the back of the wooden plow. Wooden plow के पीछे वाले भाग में एडजस्ट करते हैं. And one seed is dropped one by one at the regular interval of time and at the actual distance and at the actual depth. One seed is put in the soil one by one at actual depth as well as at actual distance. This method of sowing of seed is called as seed drilling method. By this method, rapid growth and development of the seedling happens. Seedling का rapid growth होता है in the presence of the sunlight, air and water. Sunlight, air और water के presence में. Further, each and every crop plant will get sufficient nutrients. प्रत्येक क्रॉप प्लांट को sufficient nutrients मिलता है. By getting sufficient nutrients by the crop plant, they also grow so rapidly. उस प्लांट का ग्रोथ बहुत तेजी से होता है. Ultimately, healthy food grains is also contained by that plant. That healthy food grains will be enough to fulfill our requirement or to fulfill the requirement of the countrymen. You have just studied about the sowing method. Third step comes, that is adding manure or fertilizer. Pay attention. Manures. What are manures? Can anybody say? अगर किसी को पता हो तो आप बता सकते हैं. कि डू यू नो व्हाट आर मैन्योर्स और फर्टिलाइजर्स और व्हाई डू वी प्रेफर इट टू यूज? मैन्योर क्या है? मैन्योर आर द नेचुरल सब्सटेंसेस. Manures are the natural substances which are formed by the decomposition of dead remains of plant wastes or animal excreta. This is called as manure. This manure forms after the longer period of time. यह manure जो बनता है longer period of time के बाद बनता है. Further, this manure, when it changes into a fine powder, then it is added to the soil, yani crop field. Finally, soil also becomes more and more fertile. Question is asked as, why is manure used while cropping? Cropping के दौरान manure का use क्यों होता है? तो you will write as manure. Manure contains most of the useful substances. Manure contains most of the useful substances such as calcium, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, etc. When manure is added to the soil, जब manure soil में add होता है, this also increases water holding capacity of the soil. सॉइल का वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ाता है और दिस ऑल्सो मेक्स द सॉइल मोर एंड मोर फर्टाइल. सॉइल को मोर एंड मोर फर्टाइल बनाता है कि व्हेन एवर द क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन इन द फील्ड, दिस क्रॉप प्लांट ऑल्सो गेट सफिशिएंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स दैट इज एनफ फॉर द रैपिड ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट. इन दिस वे यू हैव जस्ट लर्न अबाउट द मैन्योर. This manure is of the different varieties. यह manure भी different varieties का होता है. Such as this manure is also of the different varieties. One is the farmyard manure. Farmyard. Farm माने होता है field. The part of the agricultural field. सुनिए ध्यान से. The part of the agricultural field where farm wastes, agricultural wastes, these are also collected and after degradation, after decomposition by microbes, manure is also formed. So what kind of manure it is? That is a farmyard manure. Further, second है टाउन रिफ्यूजर मैन्योर, जिसको कंपोस्ट कहते हैं. कंपोस्ट, देयर आर सम मैन्योर व्हिच इज आल्सो फॉर्म्ड बाय द सिटी डिस्पोजल. टाउन डिस्पोजल, टाउन डिस्पोजल के सड़ने से, डिकम्पोज होने से व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मैन्योर इज फॉर्म्ड? दैट मैन्योर इज कॉल्ड एज कंपोस्ट. इसको कंपोस्ट कहते हैं. हियर द मेन एडवांटेज of manure which are given as manure का क्या एडवांटेज है? फर्स्ट, it improves soil fertility. यह soil का fertility बढ़ाता है. सेकेंड, it also gives a high production of food grains. यह ज्यादा से ज्यादा food grains देता है. It also increases water holding capacity in the soil. soil का water holding capacity बढ़ाता है. In this way you have just got the information about manure. Next is fertilizer. Here manure does not give sufficient nutrients to the crop plant. यह crop plant को sufficient nutrients नहीं देता है. That's why if we want to get rapid growth of the plants within very short period of time, it is necessary to utilize the chemical substance. उसके लिए हम केमिकल सब्सटेंस का यूज करते हैं. फार्मर मस्ट यूज द केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस. हियर दिस केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस कंटेन्स डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, कैल्शियम, फॉस्फोरस, पोटासियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्युमिनियम, आयरन, जिंक etc. These all are the basic nutrients required for growth of the crop plant too. If we want to get high production of the food grains within very short period of time, there is a need to utilize fertilizers. इसके लिए हमें फर्टिलाइजर की जरूरत होती है. According to, first of all, we study the nature of the soil. सबसे पहले हमें soil का nature study करना चाहिए. When the soil is acidic, we should use basic fertilizer. अगर soil acidic हो तो हमें basic fertilizer soil में ऐड करना चाहिए. और if the soil is basic, then we should use acidic fertilizer. तब हमें acidic fertilizer यूज करना चाहिए in the agricultural field to make the soil more and more fertile instantly, ताकि कम समय में soil को ज्यादा से ज्यादा fertile बनाया जा सके. That is why in case of manure we also adopt the use of fertilizers within very short period of time too. This fertilizer is also made in the factory or laboratory. यह fertilizer factory और laboratory में बनता है. According to the requirement for the proper growth and development of the crop plant, this type of chemical fertilizer was developed. This type of chemical fertilizer was made. In this way, children, you have just got the information about the using of manure or fertilizer to get high production of food grains. It is done to improve the economic condition as well as to fulfill the need of food. Later on in the next video, I will explain about irrigation, weeding, harvesting, storage of food grains. These are the 4 steps which is also followed while agricultural practices. बच्चों, आज का यह वीडियो यदि आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल हो तो कृपया रमन क्लासेस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों को जरूर शेयर करें ताकि उसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बेनिफिट हो. लेते हैं तब तक के लिए विदा. धन्यवाद.